Hi there, it's Adam here from One-to-One English Online. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at Functional Skills English. Who needs it? What's it about? What are the different levels? And how does it compare to GCSE English? Let's find out. Okay, so you've probably come to this video because you're looking at either an apprenticeship or some kind of vocational course that is requiring you to have a functional skills qualification. There's three main functional skills exams. There's English, Maths and ICT. The vast majority of them are going to be English and Maths. Okay, so this is something that you're going to be studying as a vocational, probably age 16 to 19. You might be slightly older, but that's who functional skills is predominantly aimed at. It's seen as a bridge between academic life and the working life. It's a way of showing that you have credentials in English and Maths if you didn't necessarily get your grades in GCSE. So that's the purpose of it. What are the different levels? The levels are, you've got entry level 1, entry level 2, entry level 3, level 1 and level 2. I should have it up on the screen now for you so you can see as an outline. And the idea is that you level test yourself and then you can join at any stage depending on where you're at, what your level is. To accomplish an apprenticeship, you will need to have finished qualifying in functional skills level 2 English and Maths. That's the usual thing. So when you get your offer for whatever it is that you need to be studying, you must check to find out what level they require from you. And don't get confused between entry levels and level. It is a little bit confusing, but you must be very clear whether it's an entry level or whether it's a level that you're being asked for. Right, so in the exam for Maths, there's two different exams that you'll take. There's a calculator-based exam and a non-calculator exam. You'll do both of those and then your result will be based on the total of those two exams. For English, there's three exams. There's a reading exam, a writing exam and a SLC, which is speaking, listening and communication. Those are your three exams. And the exams vary slightly according to what level that you're taking. Okay, how do you prepare for this exam? There are a number of free courses out there that you can find if you do a search. They vary in quality. If it's a free course, then obviously you're going to get what you pay for in many cases. There are some good ones out there, but if it's not important that you get the exam quickly, then you probably can get away with just doing a free course. You might have lessons that you do every week or a couple of weeks or whatever, and you'll be in a group situation. If you need to get it urgently and quickly, and you want to make sure you pass first time, I would recommend that you get some individual tuition. So I do an online functional skills preparation course. People can come to me, they can send me samples of their work, I'll level test them, I'll advise them and basically just prepare them fully for the exam. Doing mock exams is a good way of being able to check that you're ready to go into the exam for real. Okay, the main question I get asked by people who are embarking on functional skills is, how does it compare to the GCSE? Well, in terms of the level of difficulty, a level 2 functional skills is generally thought to be about a level 4 pass at GCSE, or the old grade C. That's a kind of benchmark, so that's what you're aiming at for level 2. How does it differ in the content of the exam? Well, think of it as being a GCSE is an academic exam. You're going to be looking at things like authors, intentions of the writer, genre, style, tone, all those kind of things. In functional skills, as the name suggests, it's much more of a practical use of the language. So you'll be using English in practical situations. It might ask you to read a leaflet or an article or a report and then pick out the key features from that, in the same way you might do if you were using English in real life. So think of it as being a everyday English as opposed to academic English. Okay, if you have any other questions or anything that you want to find out about functional skills, particularly functional skills English, then please get in touch with me. You can contact me via the website. I'll put the link on the screen. Thank you for watching and good luck.